Hello developers, today we are going to be scrapping Amazon reviews data to get the reviews title, the reviews text, the rating and more such information. Now, if you have ever tried scrapping Amazon reviews, you know what looks really simple on paper is a completely different beast on production. How hard could it be, right? Just go to the Amazon website, grab the reviews and so on. But if you try to do it at scale, you will see Amazon captchas, timeouts. These are not bugs on Amazon website. This is the Amazon anti-bot system catching you. So let me show you how you can easily get the Amazon reviews data in the next 5 minutes, and you do not need to use any residential proxies, write any selective code or any of such hardships. Let's start. After watching this, you're going to be able to get detailed data like this one. Now to get these data, you're going to need to use Python, and you are going to be using an API called Amazon Scraper API. So we don't have to write any complex selector or use any residential proxy. It's a popular API. It has got 200 plus stars on GitHub, and this has an endpoint called product reviews input data is gonna give us the reviews. So actually we are going to be hitting this endpoint, and for the ASIN, I have used this products ASIN, which is the Apple AirPods. Okay, so I've used this ASIN, and you can find the API code to it embedded in the documentation itself. So I've just hit this API, and let's see what data we get. So if we go to the response, we're going to be seeing that we have got detailed data like this one, and it matches exactly like the reviews it has. The first review is this, and that's absolutely is the first reviews, and so on. It matches everything. Okay, the great depth, the stand up on Apple standard, so it matches. The data is 100% accurate. We have verified it. Also, I want to talk to you regarding something important. So if you open the Amazon page in incognito tab where you're not signed in, and if you scroll down and click see more reviews, you're gonna face this thing. So it will ask you to sign in, because Amazon shows only 10 reviews maximum if you're not signed in. Same is the limitation of the API as well. So you can get maximum of 10 reviews only with this API. If you want to try out this API and get all of these data, you can find the link to it in the description. It gives you 100 requests free every month, and it's a really good API. 200 plus people have started and used it a lot. So I recommend checking it out. Thank you and have a great day.